Last time you didn't.
Okay, go.
Ready? I know the cat can on. I'm just kidding. Gotta take that off.
Okay, so.
Just let her do it. You're gonna make it worse than she is.
Now I'm gonna open your mouth or else it's not gonna go in.
If I open it, you're gonna be like.
Just put your lips together and you come. Okay. I think I got steroids on my hand. Oh, I didn't shake well before you. Try that again. You should remember you have to hold it in. You can't just...
Well, same time I was smiling.
What is this? You're not very good at it.